Yo, it's Nanda. Welcome to my vlog number 3.
Nanda.
Today is a very typical day in my life. The most important thing I have to do today is go pick up mails that I have, but I still have to wait 1 more hour for that because the delivery center is closed. It opens in 1 hour, so I think I'm gonna take my breakfast before. As you can see, it is 1:28 p.m. I am not a person who wakes up late for no reason, so I woke up this time because I worked the whole night. Alright, so forgive me. I'm not that hungry. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit more to have lunch, but I'm just going to eat like some morning snacks. I have this banana that is apparently very sweet right now, milk chocolate, and some digestive cookies. And then you ask me, why digestive cookies? Do you need to poo? No, I just really enjoy the flavor. This is honey. I'm done. Yay! I think I'm gonna get going because the delivery center opens in 10 minutes and I take more than 15 to get there, so it'll work. Let's just take my baggie that I take everywhere. Keys. I'm on my way, let's go. I got the package here with me. Now I have to go to the supermarket. Okay, so now I'm home again and I bought some things in the supermarket for me to lunch later. Very later because I just had breakfast. I got lasagna and Fanta grape because I think it's the best flavor. But of course, the most important thing, the packaging with the mails. This one I bought in Shein, and I'm gonna do the unboxing for you guys right now because I know you're curious, and I'll show you everything that I bought. But this is just one of the packages because I still have a lot to receive this week, so you guys are going to see a lot of these unboxings. All right, so let's open it up. I'm so excited for something that is in here. The first thing is some clothing. I truly don't remember what I bought because it's been like 10 days since I bought them and I bought a lot of things and it's still coming, so I don't know. Let's see together. Pajamas. Pants. I bought new pajamas to start a new life in a new country. It really feels like a good material and resistant, but I don't think it's for winter because it is not so hot. It is pretty fresh. Next item. Okay. Stop! It is a bag for you to carry your electronics or cables. I don't know. Ooh, has these symbols. I think this is for you to place your cables, and here you can put anything else. It is very soft material, and you can also place this exactly the way you'd like. It's all replaceable. I liked it. Next item, I bought a ring. If you're wondering if I have big hands, yes I do. That's so sick. The quality is insanely good for the price. I really like this one. And now for the last, but definitely not least, I've been wanting one of these for a long time, but I didn't have space or reason to have one because I have a laptop, not a computer. But I've always wanted a mechanical keyboard for gaming and for editing, so I think it'll help me a lot. That looks so good, oh my god. Very good quality cable. Look at this. If you're wondering, this keyboard, it has blue switches. A lot of people don't like blue switches because it is very noisy, but I personally really like the way it feels. Like, you can definitely feel pressing the key. You guys won't believe it when I say that I paid exactly 9 euros for this. 9. I got a huge coupon on the Shein app, so that's why I could buy this for so little. This video is not sponsored, okay? I'm just showing the things I bought. I think it has RGB. Let's see. I'll go to a darker place so you can see the colors. So guys, now I'm just going to edit the vlog number 2 that is already out, so if you didn't watch it, go watch it. And I'm already using this keyboard. It is pretty good. So I was editing the vlog number 2. If you didn't watch, go watch. And someone knocked on my door and it was more packagings. Yeah. This one is actually from AliExpress. I've received the notification already. Let's open it then. So let's open it. A lot of things. The first thing is a cable. Sometimes I need to charge my phone outside, and there is an outlet with these entrance USB-C, so now I have one for the outside. Next, it's a mouse. It came really well. Oh my gosh. Okay. It is very lightweight. Let's test it. I think there are RGB here, so let's test it. You can't see really well here because it is not dark, but you can see the RGB inside here, so it's pretty cool. Just so you know, I paid $1 for this, so. The last item. It feels like a pillow. Very good. Yeah, that looks so good. It is just a kit for you to take care of yourself, I guess. Since I'm going to another country, I won't have my mom's supplies anymore, so I needed myself. Everything is in these tones of military green. Very cool. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of video because I really do enjoy it. If you like it, please subscribe and click on the like button. It costs absolutely nothing. Also comment for me to know what you think about this video and what kind of video you want to see me doing here. Never forget that you're beautiful, and bye!